Ang isa ka sekreto ng pasta na maging dente siya, diba? Another tips, aminin, may natutunan kayo sa akin. So, let's eat! Someone is in pajama!
Yeah.
Let's eat! Kain po! White wine.
White juice.
And fries and
It's good.
pasta.
Fries and pasta.
This is the one I got
That's
to be
for-
careful of.
That's for lunch. So this is the another batch of pang washing machine. Third batch for today. Ilagay ko lang muna to sa washing machine. Every time I wash the clothes, I used to make it inside out. Para yung mga dumi-dumi sa katawan, matatanggal. So, iniisa-isa ko talaga yan. Na, nilalagay natin. Everything is okay na. So, balik tayo. Balik tayo doon. Kahit yung mga medyas, ginagawa ko inside out yan. Okay. So, I will put this in the washing machine. Today po, pakita ko sa inyo kasi kahapon, nagano kami, nag-grocery. So, I just want to know kung meron din po ganito sa inyo dyan. Kasi dito, every Christmas or there are some occasions, there are some summer, something like that, may binibigay. Kasi kahapon, di ba, nag-grocery kami ng aking asawa. So, may nakuha kaming box na parang, ano siya, gift ng isang store. So, yung ano namin, yung grocery namin, nag-exceed kami more than 75 na euros. So, once nag-exceed ka doon, meron silang pinamimigay. Yung isang box na to, yan, ganon, inibigay nila. Yan, parang gift. So, let's see what's inside. Ito actually na buksan na namin. So, I will show you. Meron sa ditong, ano, parang biscuit, truffle. So, and then, they have pamimigay na wine. This is red wine. And they have, the other one is white wine. And they have also here, the jam, na parang, yung ano sa atin, yung kalabasa, na jam nila. So, meron silang ganito doon. And then, meron ding chocolate na may amintuas is almonds. Na may almond siya. And then, they also have this one. Ito kasi, pair palagi dito kasi sila, pag inom sila ng wine, yung may mga ganito. Yan. How do you call this, my love? Ham? Ham or this one?
Jamon.
Jamon. So, here, when they drink wine, they eat also jamon. So, may ganito. So, sa isang box, yan, may nakuha po tayong chocolate, jamon, red wine, white wine, this one, the abobora, the kalabasa, squash na jam, at saka yung biscuit. So, ganon. Ganon yan dito, may ganon yan dito. So, yung nakuha namin, libre po yon once na-exceed kayo sa 75 euros na gino-grocery ninyo. So what if you will get 150, 2 boxes? So, when you get, if you will get if you will buy 150 euros, so 2 boxes na siya. Every 75 euros na binibili mo, nagbigay sila. May certain days lang sila na ganyan. Promotion din nila ng products nila. So, ganyan yun dito. Meron niyang ganun dito. So, minsan yung mga tao, pag nakita mo, bakit? Because kami nag-grocery lang kami. Because we want to go grocery. Kasi kailangan namin mamili ng aming mga basic needs lang. So, pag pagdating namin doon, so we were wondering why alam mo minsan, pag puno yung store. So, merong mga promotions yan. So, ayan, at least nakakuha din tayo libre. At least libre, di ba? Kahit pa paano. So, we have that. And, also, yesterday, mag-unbox tayo ng ang aking early Christmas present from my husband is the iron. And there yung aking plancha, guys. So, my husband needs to buy me an iron. Kasi yung palaging binibili na iron ng husband ko ay yung palaging mura-mura lang. Ayoko kasi ng mahal. Tapos, not the cheapest naman, pero sumurrender nga. Kasi di ba last time pinakita ko sa inyo na 4 na ng washing machine, na batches ng washing machine, yung for ironing. So, sumurrender nga. So, yun, I will check out. Let's check out together how it is. Kasi hindi ko pa nabuksan. Hindi pa ako namlansya. Kumukuha pa ako ng buwelo para malansya tayo. So, ayan. Let's see what we've got there. So, ayan. Hinhan tayo ng plancha ng aking asawa. So, let's see. So, he says it's a good brand. So, hindi naman to yung pinakamura sa brand na to at hindi din yung pinakamahal sa brand na to. Dahil ayoko nga ng mahal. I don't want ng mahal, baka umubusan tayo. Alam nyo ba, yung temperature dito sa Portugal last time, at this time, mga nasa 6 to 8 degrees lang. Ngayon, 19 degrees. So, ganun yun. Minsan naka-t-shirt kami, minsan naka-long sleeve. Ganyan yan dito. Kung extreme lumalamig, tapos biglang okay na naman. So, next week will be 5 degrees again at the daytime. So, ganyan yan. Be ready lang palagi ko nung sinusuot nyo. So, anyway, ito yon yung, natin, yung plancha. May bagong plancha. Yan. So, 20% more steam. Mukhang okay naman siya. So, let's, at saka ito ay 10 years na pwede mong repair. 10 years, my love, no? Repairable. 10 years repairable. So, yun. Yung, kasi palaging, yung iba kasi, yung last time na plancha, palaging umiinit yung steam niya. Lumalabas dito, kaya umiinit talaga. So, I hope this one is, since 10 years repairable siya, so, maybe, maganda yung quality. Sabi na kasi ng asawa ko, maganda yung quality ng brand na to. This is not a sponsored product, but I'm showing you the file. So, yun. Meron silang mahal. Times 3 ng price na to. Pero ayoko naman ng ganun. Sobrang mahal. Plancha. As long as I'm comfortable ironing the clothes naman, okay na yun. Yun. Di ba? Anong gift sa inyo ng asawa niyo? Ako plancha. Mamalansya para mamalansya. Sabi ko, grabe man yung gift mo yun para magtrabaho pa ako. No, joke lang. So, yun. So, let's see later kung kumusta naman to yung plancha na to. So, we have to keep this. 3 years warranty. 3 years? Warranty? Oh, 3 years. Galit na, galit. You don't want to respond. 3 years warranty, we have to keep the box and the receipt for 3 years. And then, repairable daw siya for 10 years. So, ganyan. Okay na yun. Yung sa akin ay every year bumibili ako eh. So, okay na yan. So, ayan. Let's see later. Tapos, today, we've got, nanguha kami ng, ng mandarin, at saka, tangerine, at saka oranges. So, yung pinagkaiba ng oranges, guys, ha? Ng orange. Ito yung orange. Orange. Yan. I will try this one later. I will eat it. Tapos, yung tangerine ay iba po siya. Where is the tangerine? The biggest tangerine. So, magkaiba talaga siya. Tapos, soft. Unlike nitong orange, medyo makapal yung niya, balat. So, ganyan. Nanguha kami ng tangerine at saka orange doon sa aking in-laws. Ayan. Para may pang ano kami, juice. My husband decided to bought this one. Ang ganda. Hindi naman siya ganun ka-expensive. Charan! Lagayan ng wood. And let's see what Beatrice is doing. How are you, Bea? Oh! It's dark, Beatrice. Turn on the light. You can remove your jacket if you want. Kasi hindi ko pinapatanggal sa kanya kasi ayoko malamigan yung likod niya. Kahit hindi naman ganun ka... You need help? No. Give me the jacket, please. Okay. So, yun. How are you? Good. Very good. He's playing. Say hi to my vlog. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
Ayan. Mama is going to cook na. So, ganyan na yung buhay natin dito. So, yan guys. Nagano na tayo. Meron ako ditong fries. I-oven bake natin to. So, the best pa rin pag na-oven bake. Wala masyadong oil. So, let's turn it on. Preheat na natin yan. So, meron akong i-share sa inyo na gagawin kasi gagawa ko ng pasta. I will make spaghetti. Diba, yung mga bata minsan, ayaw nilang kumain na may pasta na may mga sibuyas-sibuyas. So, ito na yung pasta natin. I already, na-boil na natin to. Ang isa ka sekreto ng pasta na maging dente siya, you have to, after you boil, pag okay na siya, you wash it with cold water. So, maging dente yung pasta nyo. Diba? Another tips. Aminin. May natutunan kayo sa akin. So, yun. So, another tips also, when you prepare food for your kids, kasi ayaw nga nila na matikman yung onion at saka garlic. So, you have to mash, tawag nito, gagamitin nyo to. So, ayan. I'll pick up garlic. Ang garlic ay onion ay i-ano nyo, kagurin daw. Guys, kagurin daw yung garlic at saka onion. So, ganyan. Bago nyo siya gisahin. Para hindi malasahan ng mga bata yung kanilang yung garlic. Ayaw nila kasi ng garlic at saka onion. Garlic at saka onion. Yan, yung natin is ready na. Fries. I-oven na natin. Oven bake natin ito. This is Madeira. Someone is asking for... Wait lang, Bea. I bet it's noisy. Ayan. Someone wants snacks here.
It was me.
Who's the one who wants snacks? You? How many you want?
Can I have 5?
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
She wants snacks. Biscuit. And you have here the apple juice. You go.
Thank you.
Apple juice. Ayaw niya kasi ng orange juice. So, apple juice na lang. Oh, Beatrice, bring it there and come on here. So, I will give her apple juice for her snacks. Kasi medyo matagal pa, mga 1 hour pa ako bago ako makaluto eh. So, I need to... Beatrice! So, ayan. Ayan na yung meat natin, yung onion, yung garlic, at saka yung cheese.
Well,
Yeah? What are you going to say?
thank you. I love it.
I love you too. May pa-heart-heart pa. Yeah?
Have my pie.
Yeah, of course you can have your pet. Palagi yun nagpapaalam kung ano man gusto niyang gawin. Palagi nagpapaalam yun. Nasaan na yan dito?
Watch.
What you're going to watch then?
I don't know.
You don't know? Ah, okay. You don't know. So, yan. So, I'm gonna show you later yung ating pasta. So, ito na po yung for lunch natin. Spaghetti at saka yung fries. Ayan. Let's eat. So, let's eat.
Let's
Someone is in
go.
pajama.
Yeah.
Let's
Not
eat.
bad. Really?
Kain po. White wine.
White juice.
And fries and
It's good.
pasta.
Fries and pasta.
This is the one I got
That's
to be
for-
careful of.
That's for lunch. Kain. Sorry. Natapos na yung kumain. So, let's open for our dessert with a white wine. Sarap ng wine nila ha, in fairness. Oo. Yung isa, gusto na tumigil sa pagkain dahil gusto na ng chocolate. This is
Mama, can I have one too?
Yes, of course. This is Belgian chocolate. Ooh.
What?
Ooh. Smells good.
Whoa.
With wine. Perfect.
Yeah.
Papa, have one?
I will choose this one.
Choose for me, Papa. Black is good, no? I think black is good, right? Black, I think. Thank you. Ganyan ka rude.
Wow.
It's
I
good.
got the milk chocolate.
Holy mackerel.
Well, it's a real cacao.
Whoa.
Of course it is.
Kasi I'm eating the tablilla from Philippines. We have tablilla negros. My mom makes it.
This is milky.
It's good. Crunchy.
Belgian
Perfect
chocolate
with
is
wine.
famous.